friends, welcome to LVS Tech Buddy. If you have a PC or laptop, or if you have purchased a new computer, you might be wondering if it's running on an SSD or HDD. SSD stands for solid state drive, while HDD stands for hard disk drive. There are different methods to find out whether you have a SSD or HDD. Method 1. Right-click on the Windows button and left-click on the Device Manager. It'll open a new window. There you can see an option says Disk Drives. Expand that by clicking on the arrow key next to that option. If it is an SSD, it'll show you there. Method 2. Right-click on the Windows button and click on Task Manager. On the new window, click on Performance tab. There you can see how much RAM and you can see whether you have SSD or HDD. Method 3. On the search box, type defrag and click on Best Match, Defragment and Optimize Drives. It'll open a new window. There you can see the option says Media Types. There it'll show you whether you have SSD or HDD. That's it. Now you know how to find out if your machine has an SSD or HDD. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button to our channel for helpful tricks and tips.